guys, it's your girl Jo, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn post notification bells on. And if you're a returning subscriber, what's good, what's poppin', sis? Thank you for coming back. You already know what it is. And today's video, I'm coming at you with another wig video. And today I'm gonna be speaking about this headband wig that is on my head. It is super cute, super natural, super full, and super affordable. Now, this unit was provided by Papayahair, and yeah, they're a virgin hair company based out of China, but they ship worldwide and they have amazing quality hair. So I will have all the links to this hair and as well as others, and any discount or coupon codes that I might have. So yeah, let's just get right into this.
Never been with a chick this bad. I ain't worried about the other girls that you had. If I catch you looking at my baby, I'ma laugh. You gon' keep it real, I ain't worried about that. Ain't never been with a chick this bad. I ain't worried about the other girls that you had. If I catch you looking at my baby, I'ma laugh. You gon' keep it real, I ain't worried about that. I be acting up right before you come to see me.
So today I'm gonna be installing this wig from Papayahair. Okay, so this is the package that it came in. It came in this really cute light pink bubble mailer, and inside I have my wig and also this really cute pouch that says Papayahair Define Your Beauty. And this is a headband wig, so I'm guessing in here are headbands and stuff, and then this is the wig. So just to show you guys the wig straight out the package, this is how it's looking like. It is kinky curly, 20 inches. I'm not sure of the density, but this seems like a 150 or a 180 density. And this is the construction, so you have the built-in headband, and then you have combs on the inside and one on the back, and also it has an adjustable strap, so this should fit pretty well. As you can see, this hair is real kinky, so yeah. And let's see what we got in this little baggie. So yes, I was right, it comes with a bunch of headbands actually. So there's this purple one, this red bandana, yellow, pink and blue, pink and black, and pink, green and black. And then we have this rhinestone colorful headband, or bandeau, however you want to call it. So I will be trying these on for you guys to see how they look. So once again, this wig is from Papayahair, and I'll have all their information, links, everything in the description box, so please be sure to check that out. I always fill my description box. So yeah, let's just get right into what you will need for this video. Gonna go right ahead and slick down the front of my hair and do some baby hairs, and for that I'm going to be using my Eco Styler gel, and this one is the one with olive oil, of course alcohol free. So I'm literally just gonna smack this on my hair. I don't get my brush inside, and then I'm just going to brush my hair out. So basically what I'm doing is I'm just brushing down my baby hairs with my edge toothbrush, and then I'm going to lay the edges using my Got To Be Glue styling gel, the black one obviously. So I'm just gonna squeeze some on the back of my hand like so, and then I'm gonna just dip my brush into it and start molding my baby hairs how I would like them to go. So it's really easy, just literally mold it how you want it to go. So I'm gonna turn this way because there's a mirror right here. I don't have a small mirror to look at, so I'm gonna look away for a quick minute. Okay, so my edges are laid, so I'm just going to tie it down with the scarf and let it sit for like 5-6 minutes, and then we're gonna get to putting to prep the wig for install. I'm just gonna spray it down with some water, and this is the misting water bottle, and I got this from my local beauty supply store. So I'm just going to wet the hair and then brush it out using my denman brush. Wet the hair down and brush it out. So we're gonna apply it right now. So this is what it looks like brushed out. It is really big, really kinky, curly hair. So if you're not familiar with super kinky hair, I would not recommend getting this unit, but if you are, then go ahead, girl. Or if you have patience, then this texture is great for you. So I'm just going to put this on. So I secured the comb in the middle. Now I'm going to do that for the ones on the side and the other side. So that is secured. So the wig is very snug on my head. Now, first impression, just putting on my head, it looks very natural. So if this is your natural hair texture, then this would be a great protective style for you. Now, I do have naturally curly hair, but it's not as kinky as this, but whatever curly hair I put on usually looks perfectly fine with my edges out. So yeah, so this is the style of the hair, just literally water and brushed out. So it is very, very big, and I must say this hair is super soft. Okay, so it's not dry and tangly, but it is super soft even though it is so kinky and full. And yeah, while combing it out, I did not receive any shedding, but let me try to tame this baby down. So I'm just gonna work in sections since it's so much hair. So I'm just gonna section it off, spray some water, and then add my products. Now the two products that I will be using, oh, my lighting looks super bright. Now the two products that I will be using are the Melly Brazilian Curly Cocktail Curl Cream and the Marc Anthony Strictly Curls. Now these are products I use on my own natural hair that makes it look beautiful. So basically this is before and then this is after. This hair is so full and nice, y'all. I really love the texture and the fullness of this unit. So this is it. Just guys, I'm finished with styling the hair, so I'm just gonna go and do my makeup and allow this to dry, and then I'll be right back to give you my final thoughts and the final look. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a few. This hair is so full, like wow. 100% dry now. As I said before, it is super duper kinky, curly. It's really nice, really natural. Like, can't nobody tell this isn't my hair. And yeah, it is super cute. I love it so much. I would give this wig a 9 out of 10, just because it does take some time to style it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I love the wig. I would definitely recommend it. If you're not a patient person, or you're someone who is looking for something that is like put on, no styling required, then I would suggest getting a different texture. But as for the quality of the hair, I love it. It's super nice. I did not get that much shedding, and that is key, especially with curly hair, because we already know curly hair sheds because it's so curly. Like, it's easy to rip it out. So you have to be gentle and patient with curly units. So right now I'm not wearing any of the given headbands. This is just the one that is attached onto the wig. So I'm gonna try maybe 2 or 3 of the ones that I got in the package. This one is my favorite, so I'm gonna try it on first. It is just a red bandana type headband. So let's just put it on. And to change the headbands are super easy. All you have to do is just put it over your head. I knew I was gonna love this red one because red is one of my favorite colors, and I feel like it looks really good on me. So yeah, I'm loving this one. Literally don't want to take it off. Like, how cute is this? Like, this is so natural and nice. Like, what? This is really beautiful. I love this one. Now I'm gonna try on another one. And they're easy to switch out, as you can see. So next I'm going to try this one. So this isn't like full head, it's like it stops at your ear. So this is how it looks like. It has rhinestones all over it. Super cute. This is more on the fancy side. This is that one, super cute. I like this one. This one's maybe like if you're going on a date or you want to be more fancy, more dressed up, then this will definitely be the headband for you. I don't know if I said this before, but you can definitely purchase your own headbands. You don't have to like stick to whatever they give you. And yeah, I love this. This is giving me African princess vibes, okay? I really like this. Yeah, so this is the end of the video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and comment below some content that you guys would like to see from me. I know that you guys really love my try on fashion kind of videos, and not to worry, I'll be bringing those back for the new year. So yeah, just leave me some video ideas, comment how you're liking this wig. And once again, this wig is from Papayahair, and I'll have all the links, discount codes, everything in the description box. So please be sure to check it out, and I will definitely see you guys in the next upload. Bye.